How does your body heal sunburn damage? When your skin is exposed to too much ultraviolet radiation from the sun, it damages the DNA inside your skin cells. This triggers inflammation, which causes the redness and pain you feel. The skin responds as if it's been injured, signaling your immune system to spring into action. This initial damage is just the first phase of a complex healing process. After the damage, your immune system releases chemicals that cause inflammation. This swelling and redness attract white blood cells to the affected area. These cells clear out damaged tissue and help prevent infection. You might notice your skin feels hot or tender. That's a sign your immune system is working hard to repair the damaged cells. As your body removes the damaged skin cells, you may see peeling. This is a natural part of healing where dead, injured skin sheds to make room for fresh new cells. Beneath the surface, skin stem cells multiply and push upward, restoring the skin's protective barrier. This regrowth can take several days to weeks depending on the burn's severity. Healing doesn't stop at surface repair. Your body also works to rebuild collagen, a protein that gives skin its strength and elasticity. This helps prevent scars and improves skin texture. Additionally, your skin may produce more melanin, the pigment that darkens skin, as a natural defense against future UV damage. This is why sunburned skin often tans or darkens afterward. Subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.